nigga.
You stink, man.
Stop playing me.
You been under that damn dog. Oh, you ain't finna get in my car smelling like that.
Stop playing.
You better spray yourself, dog. I tell you, you finna get in my doggone driver's seat smelling like that. Oh, no, baby. Well, I got to sit. No.
Ow.
No, you ain't finna sit in my seat smelling like that, dog.
I just fought him, mama.
Oh. That is a shame.
You doing all this stuff.
You think you finna put your fight
Mama, come
Move,
on.
Jay. I'm not playing with you. Move now.
Really?
Move now. I got to go if I get back home,
Really,
man.
mama?
It sounds like solar panels generating thousands of megawatts. And it sounds like carbon being captured and stored, keeping it out of our atmosphere. We've been bridging to a sustainable energy future for more than 20 years. Because what we do today
He's mad.
tomorrow is on.
But who cares
Let's take
about him being mad?
Lawyer Law, Meredith Sean Fagan Injury Attorney Studio. Attention, this is a special alert for all Americans who
I
own a
mean, it
vehicle
smell like
with less
sewage
than
in my
200,000
damn car.
with an overpriced auto warranty or no
You.
warranty coverage at all. Due to the increase in
That is you.
prices, repair costs, and
Baby, I don't have no smell on no part of my body, baby.
which is why CarShield is
Fresh
housing
everywhere.
cost month-to-month
On me is
plan
fresh.
to save any driver out-of-pocket expenses on covered auto repairs. Call now to find out how you can save thousands for covered auto repairs. Yes, you heard that.
Here, make that
You
light
can
go
save
out.
thousands on future auto repairs. Our specialists are standing by for all drivers to call.